Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching our Bucas Blanket live video a couple weeks ago. As we mentioned, we were going to go to the end of December and have you comment on the video, and that automatically entered you. So I want to thank everybody. We just entered everybody in and we generated a random number that's associated with an individual. The number turned out to be number 48, which is, according to this, Brian Jensen. So Brian, if you are our winner, if you can contact us or we'll contact you, and you won a Bucas blanket in the size that you need. So get in touch with us. Thanks again everybody for watching, and watch more of our videos to come in the future.